Hello, everyone. I am Mom. Welcome to White Eagle. Today is a special day. We will have a perfect Christmas day. Ever wondered what makes Christmas truly magical? It's not just the gifts, but the heartwarming moments we share. Join us as we relive a perfect Christmas day filled with joy, family, and festive cheer. Kids, we need to buy Christmas decorations. Can we get new lights for the tree? Yes, but put on warm clothes first. It's cold outside. What should we wear? A warm jacket, gloves, socks, boots, and hats. I want to pick out a big star. You can choose one at the store. Okay, my scarf is on. Good. We will buy lights, ornaments, and a star. I'm excited. Me too. Let's go decorate. Christmas shopping day. So many pretty things. Look, these lights are nice. I like them. Should we get 2 boxes? Maybe just 1. The tree is not very big. True. Oh, look at these ornaments. Yes, the red ones look good. Put them in the cart. Okay. Do you want a new star? Yes, this gold one is pretty. I agree. Let's take it. Do we need more hooks? Yes. Grab a small pack. Done. Do you like this ribbon? It's nice, but choose a lighter color. Okay, how about this one? Perfect. Put it in. Do we need anything else? Maybe some fake snow spray. Good idea. It makes the tree look fun. All right, I'll get 1 can. Are we ready to check out? Yeah, I think we have everything. Great. Let's pay and go home to decorate. I can't wait. Our tree will look beautiful. Shopping is done. Now for fun in the snow. Wow, this ice rink is so big. Yes, it is nice. Are you ready to skate? I think so, but I'm a little scared. Don't worry, I'll help you. Okay. What do I do first? Stand straight and bend your knees a little. Like this? Yes. Now hold my hand. Thanks. I feel safer like this. Try to slide your feet slowly. Oh no, I am slipping. It's okay. Keep your balance. Look forward, not down. Right. I'll try again. Nice. You moved a little. Really? I did it. Yes, you did. Let's go a bit more. Okay. Wow, I'm moving. You're doing great. This is fun. I thought it would be scary. See, ice skating is easy when you relax. Let's skate around the rink. Yeah, let's go. Stay close to me. I will. Thanks for teaching me. Anytime. Let's have fun. My friend is here. We will build a snowman. This snow is great for a snowman. Yes, it's perfect. Let's make a big one. I'll start rolling the base. Okay, I'll make the middle ball. Life feels calm today. Yes, I needed a break. School was heavy. Me too. I just wanted some quiet time. Christmas always helps me relax. Do you go to church on Christmas?
Yes, I go with my family. It's tradition.
That sounds nice. I go sometimes. It's very peaceful. Lots of music. I might go this year. I want a quiet moment. You should. It feels really good. The snowman's head is ready. Great. Let's add a scarf and button. He looks strong now. Yes, he's perfect. This is a nice day. Good snow and good company. Simple things make life better. Time for a sweet treat. We will decorate Christmas cookies. The cookies are done. They smell amazing. Yes, they look perfect. Let's let them cool. Which one should we decorate first? Maybe the heart cookie. It's simple. Good idea. I'll get the red icing. I'll grab the sprinkles. Your icing looks so smooth. Thanks, honey. I practiced last year. Should we make some cookies for friends? Yes, that would be nice. The snowflake cookie is hard. Try small lines. It's easier. Okay. Hey, it looks good now. See, you're getting better. I like doing this with you. Me too. It feels cozy. Do you want to play Christmas music later? Sure. It makes the room warm. When we finish, let's put these cookies in a cute box. Yes, and we can snack on a few tonight. This is a relaxing Christmas afternoon. Yes, good cookies and good time together. Now for the star of the show, decorating our Christmas tree. The tree looks nice already. Yes, but it still needs more decorations. Can you pass me the lights? Sure. Here you go. I love these warm lights. Me too. They feel cozy. Should we add the red ornaments now? Yes, put them on the top part. Okay, can you do the bottom? Yes, I got it. The ribbon looks cute. Where should it go? Maybe around the middle of the tree. Nice. It looks much better now. Yes, very Christmassy. Do we put the star on top now? Yes, that's the last step. You can do it. You're taller. All right, I'll try there. Wow, the tree looks beautiful. Yes, I love it. Simple and warm. Let's turn off the room lights. Good idea. The tree shines so well. This feels like real Christmas. Yes, I'm glad we decorated together. Dinner time with my lovely family. So much joy. Dinner is ready. Come sit. You too. Everything looks so cozy tonight. Yay! Christmas dinner. The turkey cooked really well. And the mashed potatoes came out soft. I helped mix the butter. Yes, you did. Good job, my boy. Who wants turkey first? Me. A little piece. Here you go. Don't forget the gravy. Thank you, Dad. The house feels warm today. Christmas makes everything peaceful. I love eating together. I think we should go outside after dinner.
Really? Yay! Where are we going?
Maybe to see the Christmas lights in the neighborhood. And maybe get hot chocolate too.
Yes, that sounds so cool. I want to go, Mom.
Yes, honey, we'll take you there. A perfect Christmas night. Now let's finish and dress up.
The Christmas tree is waving at us.
After dinner, we found a quiet moment. This is so calming.
It's really pretty in here tonight.
Yes, the lights make everything feel warm. The candles look so nice.
I love how soft the glow is.
The choir is singing so gently. Yes, it feels peaceful. Look at the tree near the front. It's so simple, but beautiful.
I like this quiet.
Me too. It feels good to just stand here with you.
The colored windows look amazing.
Yes, the red and blue look brighter at night. I'm happy we came. Me too. I needed a calm moment. Christmas always feels special in places like this.
Yes, warm, quiet, and safe.
Let's stay a little longer. Yes, I'm really enjoying this with you. It is almost bedtime. A special story for Christmas Eve. Are you ready for your Christmas story? Yes, Mom. I love this book.
Okay, let's start. It was the night before Christmas. That sounds so cozy already. The house was quiet. Everyone was sleeping, like us right now.
Yes, just like us. What happens next?
Santa came with his reindeer. Wow, I like the reindeer part. He brought gifts for the children.
For good children. Yes, for good children. You are good, right? Of course you are. Yay! Santa put the gifts under the tree. I can't wait to see ours tomorrow. Me too. Christmas morning is special.
Tell me more, Mom.
Santa smiled and flew back into the sky. That's a nice ending. Yes, it's a warm Christmas story. I like when you read to me. I like reading to you, too. Can we read another one tomorrow? Of course. It's Christmas week. Yay! Good night, Mom. Good night, sweetheart. Sleep well. It's Christmas morning. Time for gifts. It's Christmas morning. Yes, it is Christmas morning. The gifts are waiting for us. Can I open this one first? Sure, go ahead. Wow, it's a new snow globe. That's from us. We knew you'd like it. I love it. It's so pretty. Check the next one. Okay, this one is soft. Open it and see. A Christmas sweater. Try it on. It looks cute. Can I open the big box now? Yes, go for it. Oh my, a toy train set. We knew you wanted one. Thank you. This is the best morning. We're happy you like everything. Can we play with the train later? Of course, after breakfast. Christmas morning is fun. Yes,
Being together makes it special. I love Christmas with you both. We love Christmas with you too.
Don't miss out on more festive cheer. Hit subscribe to White Eagle for daily doses of holiday magic and family fun.